OPPO Watch X3 is confirmed to launch alongside the Find N6 Foldable on March 17th. The teaser highlights the rotating crown on the side, along with a physical button. It will be available in Infinite Titanium, Universal Star Orange, and Gravity Black shades. The OPPO Watch X3 will get IP68, IP69, and MIL-STD 810H standards for durability. The Watch X3 will feature a design focused on durability and premium materials. Expected to feature a dual-chip architecture, potentially pairing a Snapdragon W5 Gen 2 with a high-efficiency BES 2800 coprocessor for optimized battery life. With 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. Features a circular dial with a 1.43-inch AMOLED panel, protected by sapphire crystal. Includes dual-frequency GPS, L1 plus L5, for precise tracking and standard support for NFC and Wi-Fi. Claimed to last up to 100 hours in standard smart mode and up to 12 days in power saver mode. Uses VOOC flash charge, allowing for a full 0 to 100% charge in approximately 60 minutes. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.